Hello and welcome to this C# Go video on namespaces. Namespaces are designed as a means to keep similar classes and variables separate from each other. In this way, a class name declared in one namespace becomes independent of a class with the same name in another namespace. Below here you can see that I've produced the generic form of a namespace definition. In order to call the namespace function or variable, we would prepend the namespace as shown here. So we have namespace underscore name dot item underscore name. I've got a short example to show you here, which will demonstrate how this works. Okay, with our Visual Studio loaded, start a new project. With our Visual Studio loaded, then can start a new project. It'll be a console application. I'll call it my namespace. Destination's fine. Okay, that. Generates our template. Shan't actually need that one. I'm going to copy in a complete example here. And here we are. The namespace definition you can see comes here, and the class namespace 1, and then we have our public void ns function, and within this I've declared initialized my age as an integer equal to 24, and then I display that value. If we move on, there's a namespace there, second underscore space, and in here ns function, and again int my age, this time equals 34, and we display the value. And then in the test class for this, our test harness, you can see the main, and I now can say my namespace dot namespace underscore 1 ns1. So in other words, this is the object type, this is the new version of it, which is going to be instantiated, as we call it, in terms of OO from our namespace underscore 1. So a complete copy goes into ns1, and the same thing happens now to our second underscore space dot namespace underscore 1. And then we call our ns1 dot ns function and our ns2 dot ns functions. And then we have our console.readline, which will hold the display open for us. So let's see what that does for us. We'll build the solution. That's fine, and run. And there we are. This is namespace underscore 1, and my age is 24. This is namespace underscore 2, and my age is 34. Two variables, same name, different values, completely isolated from each other. Well, would you like to try some exercises with that? Think up some different variables and see how you get on with that. And please get back to us, let us know your findings, any feedback. This is C# Go saying, why not give it a go? Bye for now.